Hello and welcome to a short tutorial video on how to create local joins within the SalesLogic web client. Now for this we're going to use an example that's actually asked about quite often, which is how to join a contact against a campaign, in particular how to find all the campaigns that a particular contact may have been on. Now to do this, what you have to do is create a join from the contact table through to campaigns. However, you have to go through a middle table first of all. Now to create a local join, you want to go to the entity you want to create it in, which in this case is contacts, and just go and create a brand new group. Okay. Now once you're in here, you're going to actually want to find the field that you want to join off of to then link it to the second table. Because we're dealing with the contact group itself, we're going to actually want to grab the main primary key for the contact table, which is just contact ID. So from contact, in the field list, select contact ID and just click on create local join. This will bring up the join editor, and what you'll have is on the left hand side is the main table that you're currently using, which you won't be able to actually edit, but it will just display there. And you want to then, within child table, select the next table that you want to connect it onto. So from here we want to go from contact to campaign target. So just scroll down through the list, and what we will see is campaign target. And we then need to select the field that we actually want to join on. Because we're joining from a table with a primary key to a second table, we want to use what's known as the foreign key in that second table. In this case of the campaign target, the foreign key is the entity ID. However, in some other tables it might be named as the actual field that you selected from your primary table. For example, you might have a contact ID in that second table that you would use to link against, but in this case it's entity ID. So leaving it as that, you don't need to change any of your join types for this one, and just click on OK. Now once that's been done, what you'll see is that campaign target gets added as a branch on the main contact tree. And if we just click on it here, it will give you all the fields that you currently have inside of contact target, which doesn't necessarily give you the actual campaign that you're after. However, now having campaign target added inside of this tree branch, you can then expand that again. Inside of here, you'll then be able to actually grab the individual campaign that target was on just by selecting that section of the tree. And inside of here, you'll see you have all of the fields that you would normally expect at campaign level, such as campaign name, which you could then add into your conditions to use, or alternatively you can add into your layout. And that's all there is to creating local joins. You just need to select your primary field from your first table, which in this case was contact ID, and then click on create local join and select your target, which was the campaign target in this section. Okay, take care, bye.